Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to show you a new option with chance to earn up to $2,000. Yes, it's a chance to earn up to $2,000. But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video. Today's topic is about affiliate program in one of the trading platform who has very nice affiliate program to earn money. This program gives opportunity to earn money person who will be created account from referral link and for person who is owner of this referral link. On this platform you can buy and sell shares companies from the top of the list like Apple, Tesla, Uber, Netflix or Facebook. So let's look on my phone where I made from you small introduce how this app work. I switch it to my phone and like you see now this is mine view after login to this application, and on the mine desktop you will see some shares from my watch list, what is generated by this application on the beginning. So like you see, I see here some shares like Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Microsoft, Boeing, Alibaba. So this is actually what you can buy, or if you buy, you can sell. So it's very simple. You can go here, push button to buy, and you have a couple of tabs: top winners, top loser, popular, US stock, UK stocks, cannabis, new on trading 2 and 2, upcoming earning ATFS. So it's a lot of option here. On the top you see my current balance. So my current balance is 6.95 euro. On the bottom we have many to manage this app. First button with home is what you see. Next part is my portfolio. Next is search, so you can search something, and last is menu to manage your account. Manage phones, videos, calendar, price alert, history, notification settings, promo code, help center, contact us, about us, and here to have two buttons to deposit funds and switch to practice. And this is a very important button, deposit funds, because if you creating account on this platform, you need put there minimal amount, what is €1 or £1. It depends what currency on your wallet you select. The most interesting part for us is second tab, where you see information get free shares. On the menu you see the same button, get free shares, and this is affiliate program what about we will be speak today. So if we want our affiliate link, pushing this button, and like you see here is affiliate link what you can share with your friends. If we know basic, now I can tell you how can earn up to $2,000 if you have lucky. So how work this affiliate program? It's very simple. If you want chance to start earning money in this affiliate program, you need to create account from affiliate link, and this working only if you create account from this link. I put my link to this program in description of this video if you want to use my link. When you're creating account from referral link and you make correct validation of your account, you get free random shares up to 100 GDP or 100 USD or 100 CHF or 100 euro, depend on your account currency and your location. This bonus is of course given by trading 2 and 2 company. So like you see, if you are lucky, you can earn up to $100 only on creating account on this platform, and you don't need make nothing more. But you can ask me how about earning up to 2000 US dollars on this platform. Answer is simple. You need use affiliate program. And how it's working. Go to your application and grab your referral link and share with your friends. This link what I show you before on my phone or on my application. If your friends create account from a referral link, you and person who create account from your link get one random free shares up to $100. So if you're lucky, you can get free shares for $100 and sell it and get this money back. And on my desktop, you see one of the points from terms and conditions of this affiliate program. Point 3.1 speak about this how it's working. So referral shares will be randomly selected shares trade on established markets. The referral shares shall have a price limitation up to 100 GBP, 100 USD, or 100 CHF, or 100 euro. Depend on your account currency and location, like I spoke before. The referral share is randomly selected and may not be negotiated or exchanges for another. And you need to remember limitation of free shares. What you can get from referral program are only 20 shares. So about this, speak point 2.2 from this terms and conditions. So both your first 20 referrals will receive free shares after the condition in section 1 above have been met. After your first 20 qualification referrals, you will continue to be entitled to send the invited link. However, only your referrals shall be entitled to receive a referral share. So, if you're starting referral and you get free 20 shares from affiliate program, you can continue it share this application with next person, but you only get 20 shares. So if you are lucky and you get from all 20 person what you recommended to this program, maximal price, what its shares worth up to $100. And then we have shares worth around 2000 USD dollars by referring this program to only 20 person. So this is very simple. You can show this program your friends. They can create account, make validation, put their $1. Of course, this need be made it from your referral link. And when they get free share, and you collect 20 shares from your friends, and when they collect free shares, they can sell this share and remove this application. If you don't want trading on this platform, you can make the same. So you can collect 20 friends, earn on this platform, sell this action, and remove this application. I spoke about 2000 USD dollars earnings if you are lucky, but this is not all. Remember, when you're creating this account, you get some random free share, and if you was lucky and get maximal price, what is random free shares up to $100. Now you have with 20% what you recommended, 2,100 USD dollars. So it's very nice money if you're lucky and you get maximal price from this random shares. Do you like this video? If yes, in description you'll find my referral link to this program and you can start earning money from this program. Now I show you how to create account from the referral link. So I switch to my cell phone and there I show you process from download to create account and make validation. First important things you need open this link from my referral link what I put in description. And next very important things, when you click this link should automatically open App Store, or if you use Android, should automatically open Google Play and display you this application to install. If this doesn't work, you need to try again till you till moment when you open this directly in App Store or Google Play. Okay, so let's start. Like you see, I get redirection to my App Store, and now I clicking a button to download. This can take a couple of minutes, maybe a little less, but this is now downloading, like you see. Okay, my application is installed, so I click button open. Now I'm pushing a button open account. Select your country of residence. In my case, it's Poland, so I push button next. Nationality for Poland. Name is passport, so you can type your first name and surname. Date of birth, so you type your date of birth. So first date, next month, and last part is a year. Your phone number, country, select country where you pay the taxes. Next is a personal identity number. So if you push here button, you have the description what it is. In Poland is special, so you can check in your identity number from your country and type your number. And now you type residential address. Now we select account type. I select only invest, so this trading 212 CFD is not needed for me, and push button next. And now we select account currency, so you can choose Polish zloty, USD, or euro. So I select euro, pushing button next. What is your annual income? So you can type how many annual income you have. Now you type your financial details. So your value of saving and investment, exclude property. So you can choose what is your source of deposit, what is your employment status. You need to select. Now type your occupation. Now select employee details, and now you need to confirm terms and policies. So if you want to read, you can push off this one of this and read this. And I recommend it to you read this service terms and privacy policy and all documents what you see in this list to read before you confirm. When you read this, you push button confirm. Now type your address, email, and create account password. Now you have created account, and if you want get notification from this application, push button allow. And next step is verify identify. So choose documents, and you can choose passport, drive license, identification card, resident permit. I select drive license, select country, and now allow camera to access to allow application to your camera to make a photo of this drive license. So this next access. Next step is make a selfie, and that's all. Now is open verification. When you have verification account ready, you need waiting 3 days for your bonus. And of course, this is working day 3 days. if you're making this account in the Friday afternoon, Saturday and Sunday is not calculated in 3 days to get bonus in what you get action. Okay, verification of my account is ready, and now I can put my minimal deposit. To do this, go to your application. In the top, you have amount. Like you see, I have €0. So I push this, and now I choose on the right trading 212 invest because we created this account, and in the bottom section you have deposit funds. So push button deposit funds, and now you can use this slider to the left and put minimal minimal amount what you want to deposit in this application. Of course, you can type this in a manual if you use this button with this squares. In my case, it will be $1. And now I need to confirm it is my own funds and push button next. Next, you need put card number, expiration date, CC5, CVC or CVV, or name of owner of this card, and push button pay. Like you see, I added €1 to my account. Account is successfully founded. So, like you see in the top, €1 is on my account. Remember, before you create account, read good terms and conditions of this platform, and read full terms and conditions of this affiliated program. Why I speak about it? Because this program has some kind of limitation to be qualified to get free shares, and good to read is if you qualified to join to this affiliate program and start earning with this company. And one of the main condition what you should check on the first place is condition from first points, qualification requirements, and you have a couple points here. You should read whole this terms and condition, but start of this point because it's very important. And like you see, you and your referral have to residence of one of the following country. So if you not from this country, this program won't be working for you. And like we see, this is for United Kingdom, France, Germany, Switzerland, Austria, Poland, Spain, Ireland, Italy, of the Netherlands. What to do if you don't get your shares? If you don't get your free shares, go to your application, and inside menu you can find contact form. Type to this company and they should help you. I had this problem and I typed to this company and they fixed the problem and I get my free share. If you have some question, put this question to comments. I will try explain you if I know the answer on this question. Maybe somebody from our community can help you too. So please put question to comments.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see in the next one.